xmartO 4MP QHD, a wireless security solar camera. 5G PTZ with infrared, LED lights, and more. A 2-pack comes nicely packaged. Let's open up the unit. Comes with a manual, how to install and set up, a large warning sticker, tie wraps, tripod and hardware, brackets and hardware, wall mount unit, the solar controller PTZ wireless 5G camera with adjustable antennas, and the solar panel 3x5 with the USB-C compliance. There are a number of ways to install your bracket. If you're on a corner mount, you have the corner mount brackets, and they go into the unit like so, and they match up, and they lock down into place on each one. And then you place onto the corner and lock on. In this demonstration, we're picking a wall over here on the workbench and locking down. Level and lock. After the bracket is hung, there are 4 slots, 2 screw areas, and 4 clips. You're going to align and place on till you hear snapping. A hard force to secure in with the tripod placed on in an area where sun. We're demonstrating on top over here, locking down, adjusting the thumb and bolt, 1/4 20 thread, place on and secure down. Repeat for the second security camera in a location. Adjust the angle and lock into place. You have up to 10 plus feet of cable to place in. On the bottom is the USB-C port and on and off switch that turns on the unit. Please remember to peel all. Please configure the network. Please remember to peel all film off of everything. Download All Pixel HD. It runs the camera, set up, and ready to install. All Pixel would like to use your Bluetooth, access your microphone, and connect. Hit the play button, back out, and start to connect. All Pixel would like to use your Bluetooth and all. Hit the plus button and follow the instructions to set up. We have found the device and add. Choose your Wi-Fi. Once the Wi-Fi is wireless settings, please wait. Once your Wi-Fi is set up, it goes into a progress. The wireless connection is successful. Pick a location. Image shows, hit finish, hit the play button, and we have a live feed window with a zoom of 1, 2, 4, and 8 times zoom. We have here is the first one, SDHD, microphone speaker for audio sound. Take a photo to record video, to enlarge your screen, tapping on it, allowing to press and change your PTZ around. You could make a phone call by talking to the person. Test 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. And you hear from your phone and the unit. Back out to get to the regular screen. And you have the PTZ on your screen to enlarge by pressing the center and going in different directions. We have events to show the activity and more information on the bottom. You have a cog gear that you go into, motion detection alert, sensitivity zone, picture frame of human form, motion sensitivity area setting, a siren on and off, white light alarm, and more. These are just some of the things that this unit can do, and it has a status green LED indicator, your PTZ, your LED, and your camera, and your antennas that are just for signal, and your solar panel. We're going to hook up one in the back and one in the front and show you what they look like. You see the camera, the infrared light. We have the LED lights off, and I'm waving to the camera. As you see the camera, the infrared light, we have the LED lights off, and I'm waving to the camera. As we have the LED lights lit on in the back, and I'm waving to the back camera. The xmartO has playback of images, options for other things. It is a 2-pack camera, solar powered, HD security camera with the solar power to collect sun, charge your camera during the day or run all night with infrared, LED, alarms, and more. If this is a product that you are looking for to secure your area in security, this may be a product that you are after. I hope you enjoy your 2-pack solar security camera from xmartO. Thank you for viewing.